Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Play Store if you're using an Android device. Next, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type MetaTrader 5 and hit search. Look for the app with the MetaTrader 5 logo and tap on it. Then, tap on the Install button to download and install MetaTrader 5 onto your device. After the installation is complete, find the MetaTrader 5 app on your home screen or in your app drawer and launch it. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a welcome screen. Tap on Accept to begin setting up your account. You will then be prompted to create a new account. Simply tap on Open a Demo Account to create a new demo account. After a few moments, your demo account will be created, and you will be taken to the main trading screen of the MetaTrader 5 app. Here, you can start exploring the features of the app and begin trading with your virtual funds to practice and learn how MetaTrader 5 works. So that's basically how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.